Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add audio to your video in Canva. So actually there are two ways. Either you can go with the built-in audio which is provided by Canva itself, or you can upload the audio which is saved on your computer. So let's start with the built-in audio which is provided by Canva itself. So here you just need to go to this panel and look for the option audio. Here it is, and as I click here I'll be able to see further options like music, popular music, Mother's Day, whatever. So let's say we go with this popular music, and here you will see couple of music are available from Canva. Some of them are paid, some of them are free, so it is up to you. If you have Canva Pro, you can use the premium ones. For the sake of this video I'll just use this happy music. So in order to use this I just need to drag this to the timeline just like this, and if you want to drag it to the start of the video, you can do that too. Just hold your left click and drag this to the start of the video. And if you want to apply further effects such as fade in, fade out, you can do that too. For that we just need to click on these three dots. You will see the option fade, and here you can just adjust the fade in, fade out according to you. And also if you want to decrease the volume, you can do that by clicking on volume, and from here you can adjust the volume. So that was the method number one. But if you are the guy who wanna use his own music or audio, then you can follow these steps. Come over to this panel and click on upload. Then here we need to click on audio. Now drag the file which you want to add. This is the music I have which I want to use to my video. I'll just drag this music to this area. Now uploading will take couple of seconds depending on the size of your audio. Once the uploading is done, you can just drag this audio to the timeline, and similarly we can follow same steps to extend the audio or apply fade in, fade out effect. Now if I just give you a preview, yeah, that's it. This is how you can add music to your video in Canva. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, consider subscribing to our channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.